Good day, YouTube! So the day has finally arrived and we are going to get this guy up and running again. So the first step, we found out that if there is rain that comes into the system, then it messes up with the chemistry and the pH and all those things. So we need to put something over here so that it does not rain into our system. So the first step that we're going to do in this video is we're going to use these lovely stuffies, yes, and we're going to put it on at strategic places, and we're going to put greenhouse plastic somewhere over all this.
We're going to keep that one side open.
Yeah, we're going to just on the big side here, we're going to cover this with greenhouse plastic.
Yeah, this will be like a 3-day video or something, so this is just the beginning.
So it has been raining a lot here where we live, so we are crawling in the mud.
Hey, it's great fun. I feel like a piggy. My natural habitat.
Alright.
Finally, we're doing the plastic. It took an entire week.
It
took, and it's raining. Okay, how about that? It's actually dry in here. That's cool. Awesome.
Okay, so ons gaan nou 'n stuk met sny om daar te sit.
I hope that will do. So far it's working, and I'm soaking wet, but we're getting the job done. Very easy to work with these stuffies. Does it? Look at that! Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Okay, we are now doing the bottom part. We're pretty much done at the top, but we need to vacuum clean up. Ay, ay, ay. We need to vacuum clean this. Yeah, this is not working. The vacuum cleaner didn't work. We're just gonna put it in with the grass. And then we're gonna fold it like that, and we need to figure out something what we can use to clamp it. Maybe like a PVC pipe that holds it. We just need to cut that bottom part off.
Duct tape, man, duct tape.
Yeah, duct tape. Okay, we're gonna use rope, so yeah.
Or clamps, we haven't decided yet. Alrighty then. We have put the greenhouse plastic on the outside of our greenhouse. We are not finished yet.
Well, let's see the inside.
We still need to do this.
Yeah,
Do something pretty for that. And
looks nice in here.
this is the inside, and we will be growing or cultivating trailers as well. You know? So the next step that we're going to do is we're going to clean these guys.
Yeah,
We're
we
gonna
need
drain
to
this salt.
drain this, clean this, and yeah.
Whatever.
Hey, bye bye.
Bye bye. Right, like, subscribe, comment, engage. And if you hate this video, send it to your enemy. If you like it, send it to a friend.
Yeah.